Hello, everybody. My name is Justin Serrano, and I'm here with JSS Consulting and Development. We'll go over an unnamed organization through a mock consulting report to help facilitate change within the organization. We'll be looking at orchestrating team transformation through a strategic approach to build high performance teams. First, we'll look at the challenges. They have a three-dimensional situation within the organization where management is leading with fear-driven approaches. They are using favoritism, and they are also using misguided expectations. And along with the management, the team members, the subordinates, are also having their own challenges. They're using competitive approaches with their colleagues. They're not meeting their marks and deadlines, and they are also not executing their communication effectively to share their needs. We also have operations, which is lacking in effective technology, and all this results in underperformance and low morale, affecting the business on their goals. Here we'll have is our integrated solutions. We'll combine three powerful interconnected approaches to holistically change. We'll use individual coaching, and we'll use this at the management level. We'll take the leadership team and the management team, and we'll provide them skill training so that they are able to adopt more effective and for more effective skills for their performance. Additionally, we'll do some organization consulting, fixing the systemic problems like processes, roles, and technology. Lastly, what we'll do is we'll use group coaching for transformational uh, dynamic change within the teams using conflict resolution approaches. So, and then also team building exercises to help build cohesion. This multi pronged strategic ensures all issues are addressed and that will have a lasting impact. How we'll partner with you. JSS Consulting and Development will partner with you through head leadership consultants who will provide strategic oversight and a roadmap to ensure that this transformational journey stays on track. Additionally, we'll provide coaches. Coaches will use their individual leadership development training for their skill buildings and facilitating groups to do conflict resolution. We'll also have our consulting team who will analyze and re-engineer business processes, clarifying roles, and implement necessary technology solutions. Here, what we'll use, and this is why we'll use it, we have our group coaching, the shape-shifting advantage. Our coaches dynamically adapt their approach using the Hossier model. We'll use advisory, which provides structure and clarity, such as setting ground rules. We'll use educator, teaching new skills and frameworks like communicating models. We'll use catalyzers, facilitating deep dialogue to resolve conflicts and accelerate change. And we'll use assimilators, helping the team sustain improvement and work independently. This is our expected outcomes. We'll expect transformational leadership, empowering the manager, and having them be able to provide clear expectations for their subordinates. Also, we'll expect cohesive teams, reducing conflict, effective communication, and strong collaborations within each group. And finally, we'll have improved performance, streamlining processes, consistent goal achievement, and effective technology use. Here we have our overall intervention strategy and delegation, a clear at a glance view of the division of labor across the teams. To briefly just go over it, we'll provide you this in a video. But we have here our intervention modalities. We'll have individual coaching. The primary role will be a coach. We'll have our key objectives, transform managers' leadership style, development key team membership skills. We'll do this at a 360 feedback manager, and our expected outcomes are as what we said. We'll have the empowered manager be able to improve their skill set so that they can provide and foster more higher performing teams to execute their goals. Additionally, what we have here is our organization consulting used by a consultant, helping to clarify processes. And then within that, we'll use our head consultant to provide this strategic direction. We also have our group coaching. also done by a coach, which will help reduce team conflicts. And then what we also have here is our overall oversight, which will be done by the head consultant, unifying interventions. As we said, this is our overview of this consulting report on an organization that has challenges within these three dimensions: management, their team members, and their operations. So what we have here is our next steps. We are ready at JSS Consulting to partner with you on this journey. The next step would be discovery. Allow us to be your consulting team, and we'll execute what we provided here to ensure that your organization's success is our business. Here's our reference for our shape-shifting models. Thank you so much for your time and attention, and we look forward to your continued growth. Have a wonderful day.